Okay, this is the unboxing of LED thermometer that I purchased for Banggood.com. Let's make a short overview and what he have inside. The product was nice packaged, as you can see. This is the product. The packaged from in a nice bag. Let's unpack and see what we have inside. This is all that you can find in the package. Short instructions manual how to use, and the thermometer. This is the sensor for outside. Let's see. It's using one battery type AAA. Can stand like this. This is the all what you can get in this package. You can purchase this product from Banggood that I purchased for me. Thanks for watching.